Randy Thompson from Sharp here, and we're going to talk about how do you make your kitchen stand out while it still blends in. Everybody wants to have their kitchen stand out, but everything has to blend into the kitchen. So you do that with innovation, and innovation starts with Sharp, the innovator of the Sharp microwave drawer. This is our top of the line drawer. This drawer has a full control panel across the top. It has wave to open, a touch to close. So your kitchen will stand out with the Sharp drawer, but how does it blend in? It blends in because this is the very first Sharp microwave drawer to offer 3 separate colors. So you can blend in your kitchen with stainless steel, blend in your kitchen with black, blend in your kitchen with white. All 3 microwave drawers from the inventor and designer of the Sharp microwave drawer. Speaking of inventing, Sharp has invented a brand new high-speed oven. This is an oven that cooks at the speed of life. Everybody is busy these days. Everybody's running around. Nobody has 2 to 3 hours to actually sit down and cook. This Sharp high-speed oven will take a 5-pound chicken, which normally would take an hour and a half to cook. That's without preheating, and you can cook the entire chicken in 30 minutes. That includes preheating. So there is no preheat here, so it's 30 minutes from start to finish. We talked about microwave drawers, we talked about ovens. Sharp is the only company that can actually combine the two. From our factory in Memphis, Tennessee, we combine a full-size wall oven with the microwave drawer. There is no other product on earth like this. It is only from Sharp. It gives you the convenience of the microwave drawer, the innovation to help your kitchen stand out, combined with the full wall oven, and everything is done from this full color control panel with literally thousands of recipes to choose from. So if you want your kitchen to stand out, go with the designer and the innovator of the Sharp microwave drawer and choose one of these products.